Hi guys, welcome to my Gemstone deal channel. Today I have new video for you and very informative for you. I think everybody want to know that what is the volume of investment we should need in gemstone business. That is very important. If you have a lot of money, then you can start without any problem. You can face any up and downs, and if you have shock absorber, then you can do a lot of investment and you can face it. You can do a lot of profits you can earn. But if you have very little amount and you want to start a business, and in this volume you want to start, then I will tell you what you have to do and how much minimum investment you have to invest in this business, and you can earn a lot of. So this is very important video, and please subscribe my channel if you like my video, and please share and like, and please also press icon button that for the latest videos upcoming. And this video is especially for the investments, how much investment we will need in the gemstone business. I always says that if you have a lot of money, you can do anything, any kind of business, but in the little amount it is a problem. It is very conservative, and you have to manage within the investment and within the abilities that you can do. So in this investment, I think if you have $10,000, you can take a start in this business, because you have to need little bit amount of stones, and many kinds of stones, like 10 kinds of stone you have to purchase, but little quantity, like $1,000, $2,000 each gemstone should be the worth. And you have entity like 10 types of gemstones or 5 types of gemstones with you, and you can earn day by day or after day, after 1 week or 2 weeks. If you have done 1 or 2 sales, I think it's enough for you in the beginning. On internet you can do, on in the market, if you have your own country, in a market, if you know everything, if you have contacts, you can go there and you can sell it. So in $10,000 you can start your business. If you have a lot of amount, then you can make an office and make a shop, and you put there every kind of stone, because you don't know what is the need of the customer. When he comes to you, he can ask you anything, but you should have anything, every kind of stone. He will buy and you will get earn. If you have some stones, some entities, some kind of stone, specific kind of stone, then that is the limited business. So if you have a lot of stones, you have many opportunities to earn every day you can earn from there. And here is the question that everybody want to ask every day, every time, that what should be the maximum amount to invest in the gemstones. It's very interesting. It is very obvious that you need always a lot of money to start a business, especially a business. Any kind of business you can start with a lot of money. You need it. But there is no limit that how much you have to put in the investment, because a lot of money means a lot of investment, a lot of profits. So how much you will invest, that you will come to get it in back return. So how much you return, how much you invest, and then how much you will return back in the shape of investment and profits. So it depends only on the volume of the business, volume of the investment, and how you do the business. What is your style to do? You can do on internet, you can do with shop, make a shop, make office, and with your contacts, with your networking, you can do it. How many sources, how many communication you have, you can do it easily. The complication is here if you don't have contacts, if you don't know where to sell, and you don't have any communication. That then the stone is like a stagnant water. You will buy and keep in your locker, and you will not get back your money. So it is important that in the beginning you have to do a marketing as well as you can do. In the beginning you will feel difficulties in the business, any kind of business, but gradually when it will be grown, or it will be in the step by step, day by day, increasingly, then you will feel, you will be encouraged that you can do something. And I think you can earn too much, a lot of, but if you give a time for more and more for the marketing. Especially marketing is the basic key to do a business, any kind of business. But here you have a specific entity, that is gemstone. Gemstone is a little bit difficult because everybody don't know about it, as like garments, as like eating foods, like fruits and other things that are daily uses, but the stone is not in daily uses. That's why it is little bit difficult, and you have to search for the market, search for the customers, search for the communication and contacts. So everything is depends on your work, and you can earn without any problem. You can invest without any problem. Import, export, and other many kinds of information already uploaded. You can take help any kind of if you want, and you keep watching my all the videos. You will be learn, and you will be enjoy amazingly that everything is already existing in my videos. Thanks a lot. Of see you in the next video.